And that's one thing that Sack Nation don't understand about me, which I want them to accept that about me, because I'm a little bit close to perfectionist. I know nothing can be perfect, but I want to get close to it.
Yeah.
Detailing is important to me, you know. How you put things out, how things are presented is very important to me. So, and that can speak for itself. You know, I don't want to praise myself, but when it comes to the drip, I like to be on point.
We are already in the month of July, 2 days gone, 7 days more towards the release of the No Pressure album. And guys, we're really waiting for that. Now, the No Pressure album, the release party will be in Kumasi, and Tom has already gotten himself some tickets. What did tickets? No, if you said Trisha, how can you guys believe it?
I mean, it's work, and then I need
to. It's all work. It's enjoyment.
I need to go and represent Africa Mugu.
No, Africa Mugu. You people know me more, right?
Yes, this I mean, and you're going to interview, and I'm going to take
I also take something, you know. But guys, if you do see him there, if you're going and you do see him there, just vibe with him, you know.
So it's all about that ticket as well. I think it's 100 cedis, so they should try and get the ticket.
But if you have money, you know, you get the 3,000, the 5,000, the 10,000. Oh, you know, if you get money, and you can even invite me, like, let's now chill. So we're talking about Sarkodie. He had a convo with Jay, and they talked a whole lot about the No Pressure album and other related stuff. I will discuss it with Tom. But before then, as we do always on the show, we're sending a few shout outs. First one goes to Oripo TV. Thank you so much, Oripo, for watching the channel. Kelvin, thank you so much for watching the channel. Apia Francisco, thank you so much, and we love you guys. Richie Dinho, thank you so much. Nana Beidu, who is the last person, thank you so much for watching the channel. All the guys asking for a shout out, Miss Call and everybody. Hey, Miss Call, I remember your name today. Thank you so much for watching the channel. So I mentioned that Sarkodie had a combo with Jay, and I believe Jay is part of the Sarkodie
management team. Yeah.
Okay, because I see him a lot in some of the Sarkodie.
He does most of the international connections for him. So he's kind of like the management for Sarkodie when he's outside there, and then Angelo is the manager for Sarkodie when he's in Ghana. Here. So
no wonder I enjoy the combo, because you could realize the guy knew a lot
about Sarkodie.
Knew a lot. Now let's go straight into the No Pressure album. He mentioned how it all came about. He had to sit down, work towards it, just go about it and listen to each beat and feel like, okay, so this artist needs to be featured on this, just to get the perfect track for his fans, and also some of the genres. He has a lot of rap in there, but then he chose other genres because he wanted other people to also enjoy.
Exactly. We all know that No Pressure is all about rap, and then he said yes, rap is dominating because he added some few Afrobeat and stuff just because he want to appeal to everybody. When you say the fans, then your rappers on so definitely we have some Afrobeat people like No Fugees, like this, a song that is a bit commercial. Ultimately the vibe, you understand. So there are some songs like commercial in there, not only rap. So basically it is cutting across for everybody. And then on the show or on the convo, he spoke a lot. He revealed a lot of things. According to him, the song, this one Nova, he's one producer. He does some production for Sarkodie sometimes. He's produced like 4 songs on the album.
I think he produced Fugees as well.
Yes, he produced like 4 songs on the album. I mean, he didn't say much of the producers aspect, and then they also asked him his favorite, some of his favorite songs on it. And according to him, Fireworks, which is one of the tracks on the album, No Fugees, Cigars and Ruli is his favorite. So like these 3 are his favorites according to him. And then the Cigars and Ruli is the first track on the album. He also mentioned some few, the name. So which is like he said, example, we have Cigars and Ruli, which is track 1. Vibrations we all know. We've seen him working with Vic Mensa, so we feel and then we're hearing Vibrations along with that thing. So that is basically Enyuma on Vic Mensa here, which is Vibrations. Then we have Fireworks, we have Anything, Married to the Game, we have Coachella and No Fugees. But according to Sarkodie on the convo, he said No Fugees, he's likely to take that song out. He feels yes, it's a good song, we all like it, but Onya will be here from now on Friday Ashim. And going on to, he said Gigs, so he's likely to pull the song with Gigs out because he feels the song they could have done better. So or the film on, but all the same, like I said, will be hitting the studio soon to see if they can quickly work on things, and then it will be added as well. So these are many things he said.
Okay, so mentioning why he titled the album No Pressure, he said that fans always like kind of want something. He's an artist and he's been in the industry for so long. He's been doing this for so long, and he knows what is right for what. But fans kind of want something, and for now, is this like the fans even know some of the artists that will already be on there?
We know a lot. We know a lot. Yes.
Already will be on the album, but they should just take
Calm
time.
down, yeah.
So the pressure, he named it no pressure, not because there's no pressure, but because he feels like the pressure should just be at the level he knows what he's giving. So guys, no pressure, no pressure. Talking about gigs, you made mention of the fact that in a song, or say he feels like they could have done better.
Yeah.
You also mentioned Wizkid in there.
Yeah, so Wizkid is one artist that all the time, every time we be like, the Sako de Pa, Wizkid, the Senka Ghana, no doubt, or if you are the Sako de Pa, only Wizkid, because Wizkid has a song with my friend is saying, Kim Promise,
How to Be,
and Sako is always around Temohan, busy. So why is it that Sako de Pa and Wizkid until this convo that Sako revealed that yes, they have a song, and yes, way back in 2013 they recorded the song, but Sako felt they didn't do better to him, and yet enough thing. I also mean, as 2 Kings by only feel say it's not enough for him, so
it's not enough,
he still doesn't want to drop it. Since 2013, let's just say you trouble 8 years. But anyway, we don't know whether they'll work on something new or I mean he's going to drop it one day like that. But all the same, there's a track just that Sako holding on on drop it. So yes, this really shows that he takes his time to work as a gigs. So if you're there, let's say we 2029, as the best of ourselves. So that is it about Wizkid.
Yeah. So talking about the No Pressure album, still on it. Sarkodie has a lot of albums. He's dropped the highest, Mary, countless. The guys know more of that. He has this countless albums, and he says normally when an artist is about to drop something, they be like, I can't wait. This album, he can't wait to drop it. And I felt like, wow, then this one will be really special because you can't wait to the pressure.
I mean, it is something new, and then according to him, collaborations are why this time he's put a lot of strings in it because there's more of international collaborations in it. And yes, with the yes, or one Black Love, but the work of our family, when they cast away the fearful. I mean, this was outside people, so there was a bit of strings in there. I mean, it's so heavy, but he feels there's still no pressure about it.
So there's still no pressure. So guys, with the pressure no body, So away from the No Pressure album, he talked about himself as an artist. Now, Sarkodie has been in the industry for 10 good years, and very soon you'll be 20 years because in a year, Tom say.
According to Sarkodie, I said, I mean, he's been doing this thing for 10 years, and then
I think undergone cry for 5 years.
God being so good, he wants to do like another 10 years more. So stagnation. Another artist with a decade will know by 2029.
Yeah. So talking about his growth, he mentioned he wants to do things differently because Sarkodie this way, that way, but then he should always bring something new to the table. So I read what he said. He says, I'm going up, I'm feeling different, I'm thinking different, and I'm carrying along people who feel like that.
Yes. So basically, once Sarkodie started this whole thing, it was all about like this fast rapper, and then like we used to feel that. I mean, we vibe with that kind of thing. But I mean, Sarkodie is growing, and so then times they say and Sarkodie feels like things need to change, and he feels like I mean the people that he used to sing to them those fast things, as he's growing and he's changing, we that you say penopadia, we also change along with him and we follow. But I'm not for because they will Sarkodie party or say also go back to the old man. You can never be there forever. You have to change. I mean, people are
we get tired even of the same thing.
You understand? So you have to change. So the all kind that quote, it is a quote like when I listen to it, I feel like wow, Sarkodie
motivational speaker.
Very very deep because this quote really means because it's true. Alongside me, I can remember back then and then you
but the name say me away and then
now you say you down. So it's good. We are growing with him, and then challenge. And I mean all the fans or the SAC nations can testify to that. So he's
looking at Coachella, the fact that he did something new, Massa, it got people talking.
Exactly.
So it's really a good thing. It's really a good thing. Okay, so that has been it with the No Pressure album, and then Sarkodie has said, "Oh, guys, we can't wait 7 days unless the release date is changed. We are looking at Friday. Oh my God, Friday is going to be massive. And those going to Kumasi, Massa Munkayo, not have all the fun and leave us. Okay." And yes, at home.
Oh, but the videos more exclusive, me dropping videos back to back. They were
yeah. So just drop a shot of the convo between himself and Jay. But guys, you can find that video on the Seek platform. So just search for it. Oh yeah, Sack Native now. I'll share. I'll trending.
Oh, sorry.
Go and watch it. Subscribe to the channel for more updates and leave your comments.